1.
2.
3.
This is 3 Idiots and a Mic fast food episode.
So we
Today,
all.
we're going to
Yep,
rank-
we're reading fast food today.
Today we're going to be reading off our tier lists that we have done before recording. One of us will be reading off the name of a fast food franchise, and then everybody will give their opinions on it. Let's start.
Alright.
Should we start? Who should we start with?
I'm reading, and you guys.
Okay, so he's gonna go tell us a restaurant. You say where do you put that?
And yeah, and if everybody disagrees, you have to give your opinion. Let's start
Everyone's
off with
gonna disagree
Cane's.
for like everyone except
Guys.
2.
Let's start off with Cane's.
Canes.
Cane's I had in S tier.
Canes.
Yes.
I have an S tier as well.
The best.
Yeah,
I have Cane's in S tier. I've never had Cane's sauce, but
Cane sauce is good.
Cane sauce is really good.
no,
I
what's
really like it.
okay? An overrated
So we all
sauce.
agree. So we all agree S tier.
Yes, we all agree. Cane's is an S tier.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is give me a second. I'm trying to do something. Next is Five Guys.
Five
Eh.
Guys. A.
Okay,
B.
now I've had Five
B
Guys.
tier.
but-
B
okay,
tier.
I've had Five Guys before, but I was feeling sick, so I like one by my burger and nothing else. So I can't really rate Five Guys.
Okay, no, it's B tier because the food is great. They give you extra fries. I just don't really feel like it's that special. But if it like had a sauce for it, it would be A. Like if they had one specialty sauce, I feel like it would be A.
Yeah, dude. Every time those restaurants have like a special sauce, immediately a game changer for that place.
Okay, next, McDonald's.
Oh, McDonald's.
easy.
Oh yeah, A
D
definitely.
tier.
D.
D tier. That's a. Okay, maybe even S tier, probably A.
A.
Maybe though. It's kind of like in the
Yeah.
middle for me. It's in the middle for me.
I
McDonald's
okay, the
Sprite
reason
though.
I don't
Oh,
like
yeah.
McDonald's
Yo.
Sprite. I don't like Sprite.
Okay.
Don't-
I've actually never
Sprite.
had McDonald's Sprite actually. So I can't really
Sprite
rank
is
Sprite.
No, but the reason I put mine at C tier is because my sister is
Oh, God.
constantly begging for McDonald's. And I honestly don't think the food's that good. Then again, their fries and their chicken nuggets.
Those fries
Some
and the chicken nuggets.
Specific sauces. Their chicken nuggets with specific sauces.
I'm
Is
actually
it-
changing Cane's to have. Actually, never mind. I'm not gonna change Cane's.
Yeah, you can't change
Okay. Next up, Whataburger.
Never had
Never
it.
had it.
Never had Whataburger.
There's
You guys
0
never had
Whataburgers,
Whataburger?
and I can't. Okay, we're gonna have to edit that out.
We didn't say the address. So it's
No,
fine.
you say that's fine. You say that's fine.
I've had Whataburger once, and it was okay. I had it multiple years ago, and I don't really remember what it tasted like, so I put it at D tier.
Okay. There's
Next up,
so many
In-N-Out.
places I have. In-N-Out.
What?
Never had it.
Never
In-N-Out.
had it.
Never had it.
You guys, okay, I've had In-N-Out, and personally, I think the burgers are delicious, but the fries are horrible. So it's B tier.
Alright, what's next?
Arby's.
Arby's.
did I rank
Arby's
that?
is pretty good, okay?
I ranked
Arby's
the.
not bad.
I
F
put
How do I
Arby's
rank-
at C.
I put A.
Yeah,
I put
Arby's
C
isn't bad.
because it's curly fries, but everything else.
Oh, the curly fries
Okay,
make me
no,
go
the
off.
curly
Yes.
fries are good, but F tier.
F tier. Wow.
I actually had Arby's curly fries straight out of like a bag. We heated it up. That's what I was in the last episode. That's why I was like coming up to my room and struggling to put my headphones on because I had a handful of Arby's curly fries.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Let's go with Culver's.
B.
A.
Culver's.
B.
S tier.
A
I
or
put-
S tier?
I put it at B.
A, but I haven't had it in a while.
I honestly,
Broccoli.
okay, I put it at B 'cause I don't remember anything on the restaurant but their ice cream. So it's B tier.
That's all they have. Ice cream, dude. It's ice cream place.
No, they have the best butter burger.
That's what we call it, the ice cream
Guys,
place.
I'm not gonna lie. I've only had ice cream from Culver's. Fun fact, I didn't know. Fun fact for you. Oh, I probably have not. Well, that's a lie actually. I think I have something else, but I mainly just got ice cream there. I think I probably had no. Yeah, I've had other stuff from Culver's. Just I don't get it too much.
I just can't remember it.
Okay. Okay, let's go with Popeyes. F
Never had
tier.
it.
Never had
Never
it.
had it.
Never had it.
It's dry. It's disgusting. I've had it twice. The second time was a mistake. It's disgusting.
Dang, is that bad?
Yes. KFC.
KFC is pretty good. It's probably
Yeah.
A or B tier.
I'd see.
I've had it
Mm.
once, and all we got that time was wings and then mac and cheese, and I wasn't a big fan, so D tier.
It's C tier.
Okay, what about Subway?
I want to
Subway.
C.
Subway. Yeah, C. Yeah, C.
Subway, never had it.
It's not too good.
Middle of the
It's like
line.
It's kind of
It's
in the
decent. It
medium.
comes in clutch sometimes, but yeah.
Yeah.
Dairy Queen.
Where did I put Dairy
Dairy
Queen?
Queen, as an A or S tier for me.
Where did I can't find Dairy Queen A.
I think it's an
Really?
A tier. I think it's an A tier.
Do you like their blizzards?
Oh, dude.
That was
dude,
probably having an A tier.
Yeah, like the blizzard.
I feel like
That
I
is
have
why I have it. Okay, no. The reason I have it in B tier is because of the blizzards. But if they didn't have blizzards, they would be in F tier.
Dang. Yeah, like how I already got now. I'm not gonna lie. Half the flavors I've not had at all. So.
I've
gotta
only
go
ranked
out
like a
without
few of them, if I'm being honest.
Yeah, I got about half of these.
Most of them
Okay.
are never
Next
had.
thing. Next thing.
Hey guys, speed round. Chipotle,
Chipotle.
I reckon A.
S tier.
A.
It's so customizable, and it's just really good.
Jack, where's
what's your-
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Wait, what were we doing?
where's
We're
Chipotle?
Chipotle. S tier.
I put it at C. I've had it once.
Well, yeah, once. You know, I've had it a couple of times. It's good.
Oh, actually, we got told by Jacob and Ginger
Yeah.
Head Man.
Yeah, Ginger Man. Yeah.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Eat every day.
What have every day? That's where I
S
placed it.
tier.
Not
Eat every
Would have
day,
every day.
S
That's where
tier.
I had it.
gonna lie, most of these I would eat every day.
Okay,
I'm gonna
no.
chug the
I love
barbecue
their spicy
sauce.
chicken sandwich. I love their nuggets. I love
Okay.
their fries. I love the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Jacob.
I love the Polynesian sauce.
I
Whoa.
dip my entire sandwich in barbecue
Okay,
sauce.
Jacob. You're gonna hate me for this, but hear me out. Chick-fil-A sauce is overrated.
Yeah,
You
you've already
already
told me this.
Yeah,
no, he
you
already
praised it
knows
so
and he
much,
knows
and it
Yeah.
was so mid.
It's kind of overrated.
Yeah.
You
It's not
praised
that
it
good.
I
so
think it's pretty
much.
good.
Alright, well,
Okay, Qdoba.
Never had it.
Adoba, never had it.
It's like Chick-fil-A, just
I-
kind of healthier.
I feel like I've maybe had it for some reason. I don't know why, but I don't think I had it.
Qdoba's kind of like Chick-fil-A, it just has more.
I think we might have had
It has like
Qdoba's,
less
maybe.
and more options.
Or I'm thinking of something else. I think I'm thinking of something else, but maybe we've had it.
Steak and
If it's
shake.
what I'm thinking of, it's probably A or B tier. But
Okay,
if it's
steak
not,
and
then
shake.
never had it.
Never had it.
What is it?
Steak and Shake.
Never had it.
Steak and Drake.
Yeah.
Steak and shake.
I think I put that as in. I can't find it, but yeah, I put it in never had by accident.
I put it as D tier.
D
Excuse
tier.
me for 1 second.
Why is it D tier, Jacob?
NWDQ.
I just don't think it's that good.
Yeah.
It's steak and chick non-existent. I put it on my list.
Okay. Let's go with Burger King.
Burger
Never had
King. Okay, now I
Never had it.
burger. No, we have.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Yeah, I remember.
Okay.
C
Now,
tier.
we have, but I haven't had it in so long, but I can't rank it.
Actually, yeah,
Okay.
I'll change the rank. Actually, I can't remember it.
Yeah.
White Castle.
White Castle rank.
Never
is
had
not-
it, but
okay.
what I've heard from it, it's F tier.
Okay.
We've
so,
all put our White
okay,
Castle in the
so,
White
yeah.
Castle rank.
Okay, yeah. So for the viewers, the White Castle, rank does not mean that it's good. It means that it is that bad.
Yeah. Apparently, it is so bad that
We've
it deserves
never-
its own rank.
Yeah, I mean, we
Panda
never had it.
Express.
Well,
Never had it.
Jack,
White
but yeah,
Castle?
never had it. Yeah,
Yeah, White
Yeah,
Castle's
that's
in
not
the
the
White
White
Castle rank.
tier below F.
Yeah.
Look at this. We
I've
have
never had it, but apparently it's not bad.
S, A,
Panda
B,
Express,
D,
Nana.
It's like
C,
sand.
D,
I've never
F.
had Panda
Can't remember
Express.
it. Never had, and
Okay,
then White
yeah,
Castle.
never had. Yeah,
Never
never
had
had
it.
Panda Express. Alright.
Okay, Jersey Mike's.
Never
had
had
it.
Jersey Mike's.
Never had it.
Dang, dude.
Jimmy John's.
Never had it.
Never had it.
S.
S. Wow. Okay, why is it S?
IHOP. Never had it.
IHOP.
Do we have
I
IHOP?
think no. Okay, we've had IHOP before, but this was years ago.
Oh, okay. I think IHOP in. I can't remember it.
Okay,
Carl's Jr.
Never had it.
never had it. Jack, you had Carl's Jr. before?
Nope.
Alright.
Panera.
Never had it.
No,
Never had
never
it.
had it. I think I might have had it. I don't think I have somebody playing right now, but whatever. I put it never had it.
Zaxby's.
Oh, I love Panera. No, it's overhated.
Zaxby's.
I put Panera in S.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay,
Zaxby's.
Zaxby's. I don't know, but I've never had Zaxby's, I think.
F. City Barbecue is better. Fight me.
Yes.
Never
Just
had both of
yes.
those, so I can't fight you.
Fight me. We're getting in the ring.
Yeah.
Firehouse Subs.
See,
Never
oh
had
my
it.
god, that
Never had it.
I would rank
how
it
big?
in like A or B, but their sandwich was like so big, it's like all fell apart.
Oh no, we had it.
Yeah,
Bob Hot Fresh.
Uh-huh.
all right.
Never had it.
There's some of these that I'm not able to read because they have such weird names.
I know.
Wawa.
Wawa.
Never had it.
Let me go.
Is that what? Yeah, Wawa.
Never had it. What the
Never.
Steak and
What?
shake.
It's a Wawa.
Yeah, she was a Wawa.
That's like me as a baby trying to say water.
No, never have it.
You guys have never had steak and shake? Neither have I.
Alright, steak and shake. I did a fine steak and shake. Oh, I put steak and shake in A. Alright, that's right.
I don't think I ever had Steak and Shake.
Wait, no. I had one. Jack in the Box.
Never had it.
Never had it.
Never had
Me
it.
in the box. Never had it.
Had it.
Be the box.
Del Taco.
Never had it. I know it's the place where the free shabakadu meme was made like 8 years ago.
El Polo Loco.
Never had it.
Never had it.
Never had it.
Long John Silver's.
Never had
Never
it.
had
had it. Look at all Long John Silver.
Sheets.
Bed sheet.
You guys see it on Sheets?
Is it that like one with like the
What?
city background?
Yeah, kind of.
Like yeah, never
What
had
is
it.
sheets? Oh, I thought you meant bed sheets.
Oh, Skyline Chill. That's what it's called. Skyline Chill.
Skyline
wings.
C.
Wings.
Never had it.
Wings.
Never
Never
had
had
it.
it.
I've never had it.
Churches.
Never had it.
Never had it.
That's I think Checkers had it.
Roy Rogers. Never had it.
Never had it.
Never had it.
Waffle House.
Okay, we had it a long time ago. I just don't remember how. I can't remember the food.
Never had it.
Okay, Noah, it might have been Waffle House that we had a long time ago, not IHOP.
Sorry.
You know, it was Waffle House. I just can't remember having it. We had it. I just remember the
I'm
food.
gonna skip a bunch of the ones that I don't know. Jollibee.
Never had
Jolly
it.
Bees.
Never had it.
Never had it.
That is PDQ.
Nope.
No.
Nope, never had it.
I'm skipping a bunch of these just for you guys to know. A&W. Never
Never
B.
never had it.
Never had it. Why the B tier, Jack?
It's good. There's root beer floats, but in my opinion, the food itself is like average.
I mean, the food is a
Nothing
pretty
special
important
about
part.
it.
Yeah.
It's just the same as every other
Skyline.
restaurant, but there's root
Never
beer
had Skyline.
floats, which separates it from all the other ones.
Mm,
Which is
yeah.
why I'm
Guys,
actually gonna move
Skyline
it up to A.
chili.
Oh, it's an A tier now.
Wait, hold on.
Skyline chili.
Skyline chili, never had it.
See, chili tastes like sweet ham, and it just
I
doesn't
don't
go
like
together.
I don't like their chili because it don't have beans.
Yeah, we actually have Skyline. We were making chili. We were having chili dogs for dinner, actually. So we have Skyline chili in the kitchen right now.
Okay. Domino's pizza.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is a
Where that right there? Probably around it. Domino's,
Everyone
yeah,
thinks it tastes
S.
like cardboard. It doesn't.
S.
I'm actually gonna move up it to C because it's
Domino's at
we
C?
would have it
At
every
least
day,
A.
but we don't
Yeah,
have it anymore.
Domino's at least A.
Okay, I'm
Like a-
moving it up to B tier. It's
Yeah,
pretty-
there you go. Okay,
At
dude, we
least.
had we had it every month at our elementary school, Jacob. Like, come on.
yeah, we did.
It was so
Cookout.
good. That's the only time I got pizza.
Guys,
Cookout.
cookout.
I don't know how to cookout for.
What?
It's cookout. I've had cookout before.
I've had it
For
once
time.
and it was not very good. It's F tier for me.
Dang.
Cookout. What the frick is cookout? Oh,
It's like a yeah. It's not that good. I mean, their
you could use
milkshakes
a
are
little
really
work on the name.
good. Taco Bell.
Taco
Never
Bell
had
was
it.
I think I like
Taco
A,
Bell
I
was
think.
would have like a Taco Bell for me either S tier or would have every day.
A.
Alright, I didn't get
It's a C tier for me.
Yeah, alright. That's pretty good.
I can see that.
Little Caesars.
Never had it.
I
Little
said,
Caesars.
okay, I said I have every day because they're cheese sticks.
Okay, Little Caesars
Okay,
probably
no,
like
yes,
B
yes,
or so
yes,
tier.
They
agreed.
put their tomato
Also,
sauce in a
the
bucket,
sauce
might
is
I add.
I
Just saying.
Also,
Okay, no.
the pizza and sauce for Little
Mm,
Caesars is
yeah.
really good.
Okay, so for me, Little Caesars is like in between B and A tier.
Yeah, that's kind of where I am too.
Yeah.
I've never had Little Caesars.
Dan, you gotta have this good.
Wendy's.
Why did A tier?
S.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah,
was
A or S tier.
Wendy's.
S tier.
B tier.
A or S tier easily.
B.
I can get along with B. Anything lower I can agree with, but B to would have every day, yeah, I can agree
It's
with.
A. It's either A or B for me. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, no. Checkers.
Checker.
Never
They're
had
not
it.
What is that?
Rallies and checkers are the exact same thing.
Alright.
What the frick is rallies?
I know.
What is Rallies?
Okay, Jacob, what's your ranking for
Rally.
checkers then?
They have really
Pep
good
rally?
fries. They have really good burgers, so it's pretty high.
So Pep
It's
Rally
about
has
a
pretty
B tier
good
for me.
burgers.
Alright, okay.
Okay, Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
D.
Uh,
D tier.
A.
Pizza
You wanna know
Hut.
why I hate Pizza Hut? I had like a bubblegum mint one time. It was in a bowl at the center table. It tasted like some like spoiled cabbage, and I hated it.
Okay.
I spit it on the
well-
ground and grabbed it, stuck it to the
Okay,
top of the table,
So okay, so
Go.
and then I
Guys,
managed to stick a
okay,
whole
for
pizza
me-
slice under the table.
okay,
And it
okay.
hung there until it grew like buzz on it. We went back like 3 weeks later because it was my sibling's birthday. I looked under, it was gone actually. But it
guys,
fell.
no.
There was
Yeah, go tell
fuzz
us.
and crap on it.
Oh, should I go?
Moe's.
Okay,
S.
hold on.
Fight
Let's talk about. Okay, let's talk about Pizza Hut real quick. Okay, Pizza Hut's B tier for me because let's be honest, dude. All pizza places are pretty much the same, right? Like, come on.
Not gonna lie, it's true.
Okay,
Most
no.
gonna.
Okay, now
Can
do-
we move
okay,
on
now
to
do
Moe's real
Moe's.
quick? Can we
Yeah,
move on to
Moe's.
Moe's real quick?
Yeah,
Moe's is
I'm
a
done
B
with Pizza
tier
Hut.
for me.
Most
I don't think I've ever had Moe's before.
You've had it before. I can assure you.
Okay, have I had it with you or like?
No,
It's
the
like a
school
taco kit,
where
and it's really good.
the school where does your mom ever like on like Tuesdays or another day ever bring home a huge bag of random taco assortments?
No.
Oh yeah, she does
Not-
do that.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
Moe's.
Oh, then
Okay.
yeah, I'd rank that like A tier.
Okay, hold on, no, describe mode for me.
Like it was like that. Like you know how like mom will like get home and there's just like a ton of like sausage or like ingredients like tacos.
Oh, yeah. I
Yeah,
know
I
what you're
must
talking
say
about.
it was
Oh,
either like
yeah.
rice or bean. It was the rice that was terrible.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
B.
agreed.
Okay,
It's a
so
B tier.
okay. Yeah, B tier for most then. Alright, I can understand. Yeah, B
Okay.
tier for most.
Papa John's.
Papa John?
A. 2 for
S
Greasy.
Where'd
tier.
I put Papa John's? I can't find Papa John's, guys. I don't think I can.
Papa John's, I put an S.
Agreed.
Where's Papa John's? I got like a pot, like a. I might have gone too quickly. With tall rankings.
Okay, you can
Did
look
that.
for it. Last one we have for today, Penn Station.
Never had it.
Never had it.
S tier.
Okay.
I literally can't find Papa John's. If I have Papa John's,
Did we not look at Dairy Queen?
yeah,
we
we did.
looked at Dairy
Alright.
Queen.
You might like zoned out or something.
I went through all
What's
the
your
ones I could
ranking
read,
for
you know.
Dairy? Okay, what's your
B.
ranking for Dairy Queen then? Jack.
It's a B. It's got
Alright.
nothing good but ice cream.
Yeah.
Agreed. Oh my gosh, we have the exact same rating as Dairy Queen. They have nothing good except ice cream, and their
Oh.
ice cream gives them a B.
I know. For
That's
me,
the
it was
only thing carrying them.
for me it was
Exactly.
A tier.
Wait, no, what do you get at Dairy Queen? What do you get at Dairy Queen?
Like
I haven't had Dairy
remember
Queen in like 4 years.
I never had
I
Dairy
would
Queen.
get those like strawberries type stuff.
Yeah, it's
I
their
only get the
it's
Blizzard
their
stuff.
Blizzard I like.
Like I
Like
got an
back from
other
camp
stuff
today,
from
we
Dairy
got
Queen
Dairy
and it's
Queen.
good. It's like
Back
there's
from camp, we
Papa
got a
John's.
strawberry
I
Blizzard.
found it. Okay, it's because Papa John had the most goofy thing ever. Okay, and Papa John's, I ranked and haven't had it in a while. Why did I rank Sonic in that tier? Or like don't okay. It was haven't had it in a while or don't know what to put it at. And that's what I put for Papa John's. I'll probably put like B or A tier.
Yeah. Now it is time for our cereal tier list.
Yup. Alright, that's why we're not gonna be able to do
Here's mine.
And this
by the
time
way.
we will actually be ranking it as we're doing it. So more fun.
Okay, let me go get the cereal
Okay,
to
Alright.
so okay,
Everyone got to pull it up.
Yep. Alright.
Give me a
Okay.
second, I'm still pulling it up.
Cheerios.
Alright. Okay.
Give me a
hold on,
second,
Jacob's
I'm
still doing
pulling
it.
it up.
Wait for Jacob. Wait for Jacob. This one got the cool ranking.
But
though.
hold on, add a row below saying never had.
Yeah, that's what I
I know
did.
that. Add row below. Never.
Never had.
I have
Alright.
two
I have
opinions that
cereal
like I feel like might offend some people.
Okay, now I have cereal every day, and I'm not joking. But like, I don't have much of like varieties.
It's mostly the
Okay,
same thing.
no.
I'm not gonna lie.
Guys, before we talk about this, I'm lactose intolerant, so that will be influencing a lot of my decisions.
Okay, alright, okay.
Just
Yeah,
note.
So viewers, he's lactose intolerant.
Like, no,
so.
I've had cakes before.
Okay, so first one, Cheerios.
C
Easy,
tier.
easy eight. I love Cheerios.
Cheerios is like a middle of the line cereal, right? It's like
Okay,
it's decent.
okay.
Cheerios
no.
is A for me. Because
Okay.
you can have it with milk,
Mhm.
leave it in there for like a good few minutes. It will get a little soggy, but it's still good. And
Okay. I even
it's a
had-
good option when you have nothing else.
Honestly,
so,
I haven't really had cereal. No, Cheerios. Well, I'm
no,
thinking
I'll
of
bring it down to B because it does get very
Yeah.
soggy.
Okay.
But still,
How do you
what-
add? How do you add?
it's basic
head
too.
You
Head to
click on
settings.
like the settings theme below F, and do never had.
I've had like 2 cereals, bro.
Okay, so I'm thinking of Honey Nut Cheerios. I
It's
don't.
crisp. It looks like a pancake or like some type of really rotten sausage biscuit.
Alright.
Okay,
The
okay.
K theme.
No.
I'm just gonna change
Oh,
to
this
never
is
have.
E. This is so stale and dry.
The K
I've had
theme I never
3
had.
teeth. I lose
I'm not sure
3
what it's
teeth every
called.
time, every
You-
spoonful.
It's also
Oh.
K,
It
but
doesn't
I've
even
never
taste
had
that good. It
Oh.
tastes like I'm just licking a block. It tastes like a block of stone. Like I'm just slowly like grabbing bits of it and just crunching it in my mouth.
Oh my gosh.
Alright. Honey
It's
Butter the
bad.
Vote. Honey Butter the
No.
Vote.
Oh wait, no.
Cocoa
We're talking
Pebbles.
about Cheerios real quick.
Yeah.
Cheerios
Yeah.
is an A tier.
Okay, I can't.
Okay, Ryan,
I haven't had
I'll put it at
Cheerios in
B.
a while. Okay, I haven't had
Okay.
Cereals in a
The
while.
K
so,
brand
like,
is F tier for me.
Never had.
I've never had it.
Honey Butter the Vote. Never had.
Never.
Wait, hold on, what? Okay.
Honey Butter the
Alright,
Vote.
Cocoa
What's
Pebbles.
Never
Wait, no,
had
what Honey
Cocoa.
Butter
Wait, no,
Votes?
we're okay. Honey Bunches of Oats, I've never had it.
Never
Cocoa
had.
Pebbles A. It's chocolate. It's
Never had.
like
Cocoa
Kix,
Pebbles?
but
Okay,
chocolate. It's
Jack.
good.
Do you like
Okay.
Fruity
As I said
Pebbles?
earlier, I am lactose intolerant. This gave me diarrhea for an entire week.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, I must
so,
say that Fruity Pebbles is one of the most overrated cereals.
Fruity Pebbles is not even good with this Fred Flintstone
Okay.
looking.
Oh, but like. Okay,
Fruity
so,
Pebbles? F. I can't have chocolate, so I've never had Cocoa Pebbles, so I'm gonna assume it's F.
Okay. So.
Hey
okay,
guys, Raisin
okay,
Brand
Cocoa Puffs.
deserves. Raisin Brand
Chocolate.
is a B.
Okay.
No, Raisin Bran
Okay.
deserves
Okay,
So
guys.
ranked.
Chocolate
home tier below F.
Raisin Bran never had.
No, Jack, I'll add tier below F for Raisin Bran. You know what? No. I'm at an O tier for
Raisin
Frosted
Bran
Crisps.
Kiss my butt. It's so bad.
I'm not in my own rank for Frosted Crisps because that tastes like birdseed.
Frosted Crisps.
No,
Yeah.
no. It's Rice Crisp, but Frosted Crisps also probably the same. I don't know. But Rice Crisps, Frosted
Rice
Crisps
Krispie Treat
tastes
tastes
like
like
birdseed.
tastes and looks like bird seeds. Okay,
It's terrible.
I had to go like the only option. It is trash, dude.
Wait, hold on. What are we on?
I
Rice
went to
Krispie Treats.
I want the Rice Krispies, so I make his own rank for that because that is just
Rice
terrible.
Krispies? Give it a C.
No, yeah, dude, it tastes and looks like bird seeds. Doesn't even have the goodness
It
of
is.
Also,
Okay,
next
so
one.
Cocoa Puffs are F. Raisin Brand is puke.
Never had Cocoa
Cinnamon
Puffs.
Toast
Never had
Crunch
Raisin Bran.
is
Okay,
S tier.
Chill out for a little bit. Let's get out.
Okay,
Oh,
we're
brother.
back. Jeez.
Noah,
it's
your
actually,
store.
Yes,
it's actually
poo-poo.
probably me. I'm being honest.
Noah, your storage is probably getting too full.
No, it's probably
Okay.
no. I'm actually probably just like closing out of it. 'Cause I'm stupid.
Yeah.
But anyway, tricks never had.
Never had tricks. Jacob, what'd you saw some tricks?
Never had them.
Alright.
Reese
Next
Puffs
one.
never had.
Reese's Puffs never had.
Reese Puffs? Which one are
Yeah.
those?
S.
Reese's Puffs cereal.
Never had them.
Cornflakes sounds absolutely terrible.
Never had cornflakes, but
Where I put those?
cornflakes.
I've had a lot of cereals. There's only like 7 on this list I've never had.
Okay,
Cornflakes. Where did I put those?
Let me a Papa John's.
Yeah.
There are so many cereals I've not had.
I
Captain
know, dude.
Crunch Oops All Berry. I really like the Captain Crunch
Oatmeal
berries.
squares.
Captain
F.
Crunch is literally glass in your mouth.
It's so good.
Okay, that's Oops All. Okay, that's berries. I've actually. I'm not gonna lie. The Captain Crunch, I think not as crunchy as I thought it was.
it's not.
Grainberry is glass in your mouth, but without the GL.
Cranberries.
Never had
Grain-
cranberries.
Grainberry.
Cheerios and
How-
Apple Jacks.
Cranberries.
Never had Cheerios Apple
Jacks. I
Jacks.
put those in D.
Never had Apple Jacks. Jacob,
No,
never had
actually no. It was actually
Rotten sweet,
apple
sweet
cinnamon
honey.
Apple cinnamon Cheerios. Never had those.
Apple cinnamon
Never had 'em.
Blue Cheerios. Never had it.
Never had 'em.
Pops. I had it, and it was kind of D. Honestly,
No, Pops is S, bro. So
Pops
good.
was kind of D.
No, Pops. It's good, but there's nothing special to it. B.
D.
Yeah, I can get
Cocoa
along with that.
Krispies. We're gonna assume that's like Rice Krispies. So it's going Rice
What
Krispies
is
drink.
Cocoa Crispy? I've had it, but like I
It's
can't find
probably
it. Oh,
birds. It's probably
oh,
chocolate
I'm gonna
birdseed.
put that in A. It's actually kind of good.
Captain Crunch berries S tier.
B.
Easily S tier. Easily S tier.
Captain Crunch, I'm
I
going
think
A
Captain
tier.
Crunch
Because
is
honestly, like the
last.
non-berry part of
Yeah,
Captain
me too. Me
Crunch,
too. Yeah.
like the non-berry pieces on Captain
Me
Crunch are
too.
kind of
Yeah,
mid. So
definitely.
I'm putting Captain Crunch, like the normal one, in B tier.
All right.
No, I'm just gonna
Jacob,
assume
what's your
it's
sauce on?
Hey
Okay,
guys,
what's your
hey
sauce on
guys, here,
Captain
here,
Crunch?
here. Here's all the cereals I've never had. Never had Grainberry, Cocoa Krispies, Reese's Puffs, that the honey things, cornflakes,
Oh, you high
Tricks,
nut
fruity pebble,
cereals?
regular fruity
that is
pebbles,
an A tier.
Oops all berries, Cheerios, the green Cheerios box, the blue Cheerios box, Pops, Crunch berries, Captain Crunch berries, Captain Crunch, the one oatmeal look brand thing, the chocolate version of Cheerios, Frosted Flakes, egg, um the cookie ones, the Dracula ones, the other crunch ones, um Kicks, never had those. Don't know. I've never had the red box that looks like it has chocolate. Wheaties, never had it. O's, Golden Grams,
Wow, bro.
the chocolate K's, Lucky Charms, the French
Oh,
toast
You've
versions
never
of
had like Jacob. You've never had a Lucky Charm?
no.
Oh
oh
my
my
god,
god.
that's
Oh
like
my, bro!
Yes.
Lucky
You've never had
Charms.
Lucky Charm.
Lucky Charms
No.
A tier.
Rice Krispie or honeycomb. The
Okay.
ones
Okay,
that cause
rice.
diarrhea. Cocoa
Rice.
Alright,
Puffs,
I've never had. I can't
Cocoa
read that, but it
Pebbles,
says
and
something
Puke
something
is
oats,
K brand and
cornflakes,
We get Jacob.
I was back.
okay,
honeycomb,
here's all my
quiz.
S tier ones.
Alright, we're
Just
back
gonna
now,
spam
guys. We're back.
Okay.
Alright, we're back. Okay, so Noah, tell us your S tier.
My S tier are regular Cheerios, um, Honey Nut Cheerios. Wait, no, Honey Nut Cheerios. Um,
No, I just got one put away.
Apple Jacks, Fruit Loops, Oreos, and the Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Okay, your scale's working again, Noah. Okay. No, no. Okay. Jacob, tell us your S tier. I know your A tier real quick.
My A tier, I don't have one. I
Okay.
pretty much they went into puke, caused me diarrhea, or never had.
Okay.
Or S tier.
Okay, no, hush now. Okay, we're gonna go list by list for everyone. But Jacob apparently, because he didn't really have much. Okay, so no, right there.
Okay, so
Tell
my
us-
S tier, you guys already heard my S tiers. Caused me diarrhea, Cocoa Puffs, and
I'm gonna view the community.
Cocoa Pebbles. The K brand and Raisin brand are puke. Then I've not had Grainberry, Cocoa Crisps, Reese's Puffs,
This person put Raisin Bran in A.
Raisin brand and A.
I
Okay,
did
hold up,
not.
hold up.
Brand.
Okay, hold up. Okay, before we read the community, we gotta go. Thoughts on our answers.
I've already told you guys my list.
Okay.
Actually.
No, going. No, Noah. Going list by list. We're going row by row for a person, brother. Okay, Art. Shut up, Noah. Okay, my A tier is Captain Crunch and Cheerios. Jack, what's your A tier?
My A tier. Hold on, I need to go back to my thing. I was looking at the community.
Alright, you gotta look at the community after
My
this.
A tier: Cocoa Krispies, Captain Crunch, Honey Nut Cheerios, French Toast Crunch, Lucky Charms, and Oreos.
Alright, okay. Noah, tell us your B tier. Right. Alright, okay, now. Okay. Okay, now Noah, tell us your A tier or B tier. Okay, Jack, what's your B tier?
Cheerios, Pops, Crunch Berries, Chocolate Cheerios, and the orange box of Crunch. I can't read it.
Okay, so I don't have a C. Okay, I don't have a B tier. Noah, tell us your C tier if you have one. All right. Jack, do you have a C tier?
Trix, Chocolate Kellogg's, Cookie Crisp, and Fruit Loops.
Okay, I don't have a C tier. All right. D tier for me, mini wheats.
Oh no.
Mini wheats is so bad.
Oh, I'm gonna. I'll be right back. 1 sec.
Alright.
Ah!
Mini wheats is
Alright, I'm back.
yeah, definitely. Okay, Noah,
I
what's your
put
F tier?
Apple Jacks, Fruity
Uh-huh.
Pebbles, overrated as frick. Frosted Cheerios and Kicks.
Yeah. Okay, Noah, what's your F tier?
You skipped E. You're not a fan of them Fruity Pebbles, are
Okay.
you? What did they do to you? Oh, clearly.
Bro, this is
My
talking in
E
like
tier
5 seconds.
is regular Kellogg's, Oops All Berries, Apple Cheerios, so gross. Frosted Flakes, Fight Me, and Eggos. I just don't like them.
Bronze place for what tier?
Frosted Flakes is an E.
I got rid of my
F.
tier.
Rice Krispies, Grainberry, Frosted Krispies, Oatmeal Squares, and Wheaties.
Alright, okay. My F tier is Rice Krispie Treats and Fruity Pebbles.
And my Raisin Bran tier is Raisin Bran. You would never guess.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. And then the rest it just never. Wow. And then the rest just never had. Okay, let's view the Yeah, okay, I don't agree with that one, but that's fine. Okay, let's view the community now. How did I view the community?
Someone put Raisin Bran at A, by the way, so just be careful for a cap.
Okay, hold on. Let me. Okay, so
That.
it should be in order. This person put cinnamon toast crunch in S tier. What you guys thought on that? Uh, head to the thing where it says view the community for this thing. Click on that. Scroll down until you scroll down.
I see no L's on this list. This one's good.
Okay, so cinnamon toast crunch in S tier. I can't argue with that.
Alright.
What?
Raisin Bran and Apple Jacks in F tier, good. Fruit Loops in E, good.
Okay,
Okay, Reese's Puffs in
Noah.
C. Alright, you lost me on that one.
Bro. Okay, Noah. Okay, Noah. We're okay no, at the bottom of save and download.
Okay, they put
where it shows
Oops All Berries and
where it shows presentation mode and
or
reset
they put
and
Oops
stuff.
All Berries and Apple Jacks in best cereal ever.
Okay. Cereal ever?
Okay, this is just funny.
Okay.
Hold on.
Pretty Pebbles and A.
Wait, look at the names they did for this one. This is funny. This is just funny.
Hold up. What's the name?
Wait, look at the ranks. Look at the ranks that they
Hold up,
put
what's
instead of
the
like S, A, B, C, D, E, F. Look
what's
at the
the
ranks they put. It's funny.
Hey Jack, do you like what I'm sending you?
best cereal
No, I
ever?
don't.
That's not the best. Okay, man, kind
Look,
of bad, really bad. dog bleep, and then never tried. Okay. Cinnamon Toast Crunch S tier. I never had it.
I
Pretty
like the
pieces of this.
names.
Okay, some of these things I think just need to be increased by just a little bit. Hold on, which list?
Okay, someone put Raisin Bran in C tier. That's too high.
What's profile? Okay. Oh, I see it. Bro.
Christian S28. Oh
Hold on,
my god. They have Raisin Bran in F though, so.
Alright, okay, next page. Okay,
Uh
pretty proud of the B tier,
huh.
dog.
Raisin Bran's too high.
Bro, Captain Crunch and C tier for this one? Like, what?
Reese's Puffs in C tier.
Hey Jack, look
Okay.
up what I'm about to send you on Google. It has the funniest memes.
Okay,
Nah, I'm
okay, okay,
okay.
okay. Okay, guys, okay. This person ranked one cereal, and it was Raisin Brands. They put it in F tier.
Raisin Bran is way too high. Someone's being
A
nice.
for Raisin Brands. Okay, I can agree on most of these. Okay, bro, you're doing good, and then you put Fruity Pebbles at A tier.
Okay,
Okay,
ceral,
I
but with
know.
like a pink
Or
C profile picture.
I'm on there.
But it's
I'm
spelled
on there too.
cereal.
I'm on there too. Hold up, okay, guys, head to the first page, then we'll start from there.
Alright, Raisin Bran, again, way too high. They put Lucky Charms at F!
Lucky Charms at F? You're kidding me.
They
What?
put, they put, they put,
This man has actually lost their mind.
bro.
Look at
Okay,
what I
I'm
just
looking at
sent you,
the.
Jack.
It's
Okay.
bad.
Jack, look what
I don't want to. It's probably just, no, I'm okay.
This person put every. Okay. This person put every
Okay,
cereal
guys, I
in.
gotta go to bed soon.
Okay. Okay, let's hear that. Let's hear that. Okay. This person put every cereal in S tier, but Raisin Bran. They put it in an F tier.
W.
W.
Okay, guys, I think we should stop here.
Look at the one with like the Stitch profile picture. That's just cereal smiley face.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Raisin Bran is too high. Okay. Wheaties is at B? That's way too high. Hello? Lucky Charms is at B? Reese's Puffs is at C? Golden Grams.
Okay. Alright,
They
okay.
have
It's getting
mini
a little
wheats
late,
at F.
guys. I think we gotta stop it here. Cause like, they gotta go and stuff.
Thank you for watching 3 Idiots and a Mic.